Hello everyone, today we have Nissan X-trail T32 with Nissan Connect 3 multimedia navigation system. So it's a new experience for us. Our customer called us and told, I want to install in my X-trail Nissan Connect 4 multimedia system. Nissan Connect 4 is the system which installing from 2020 year in new X-trails. It's more modern, it's more useful functions such as CarPlay and AndroidAuto. And after installing of it, we will show you our new solution, which allows you to install any applications you want, which are available in App Store and Android Play Market. You could install it and use in CarPlay and Android Auto. YouTube, any navigation applications, all that you want to see in your multimedia system will be available for you. So let's start. Well, the work is done. Now you can see Nissan Connect 4 system. Yes, it changed the interface. It looks more modern. The whole system works much faster. Buttons on the steering wheel works fine. Cameras with dynamic lines, everything fine. The whole system looks much better. There are a few European languages. Yes, and if you have a Japanese car, Trail T32, we can help you. We can install you the same system with European Navi maps, European languages, and it will work without any losses like cameras, audio, everything will be fine. Also now available the maps. It's really faster, and now available CarPlay. And now I will show you our CarPlay and Android Auto solution. And now you can see the standard Android interface. Here you can install any applications you want, like navigation, Chrome, YouTube. Video will be shown when in motion. You can install any available application. We have the same solution but with CarPlay. Now I can't connect it, so you will see the standard CarPlay interface with additional applications. So many thanks for watching. If you are interested in, please contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. So this solution will be really great if you want to upgrade your system, and if your car is Japanese, it's a combo. You will upgrade this system and you will get Navi maps, radio, and language. Bye bye. Stay safe.